If you don't know me, I'm Todd Gordon, founder of TradingAnalysis.com. About a year ago, I began the next chapter of my career in the markets, making room for the strong team that I've built over the last decade to run the day-to-day operations here on Trading Analysis. A little background. See, I first fell in love with the markets when I was 17. I'm 41 now, almost 20 years into my career in the markets. And in that time, I've been a professional trader, I've been a hedge fund trader, and an analyst on Wall Street. And as I said, I started and now ran this business over the last 10 years, still operating today. I've also been doing CNBC as a contracted on-air contributor over the last 10 years as well. See, as I've grown older, my trading and investing has changed. When I was 22 in my first trading office, I was very active putting on trades all day long, trying to make a profit for the firm, trading a bunch of times a day. As I'm growing older as a trader, my holding period for my investments was also growing longer. Maybe call it maturing. I was learning that firsthand that being properly allocated in the right stocks and sectors on a longer term time frame with proper hedges in place, introducing the idea of compounded returns, that's the key to building real long-term wealth. Now, I do still short-term trade. You can short-term and swing trade stocks and options if you like, but do so with a small percent of your capital. And by no means should you be trading with majority of your investable and retirement assets. I've always said this at TA, we don't recommend that you trade with any more than 20% of those retirement investable assets for the strategies we use at TradingAnalysis.com. That's how I set up my accounts. The rest should be managed by a professional financial planner and wealth management company. So now that my focus has gone towards longer term planning, portfolio management, and tax strategy, as Trading Analysis is now up and running on its own, it was time to make the move into wealth management, this exciting new sector or industry within wealth management called RIA. An RIA is a registered investment advisor. An RIA is a financial advisory company who is legally bound to act in your best interest and not in their company's best interest. And that way, our goals are aligned with yours. RIAs have a lot of flexibility to structure portfolios that offer diversification, and they're tailored to your personal risk needs. And we offer fully integrated financial planning to help guide you to and through retirement. Plus, RIAs have more freedom to communicate using social media and interacting digitally in this new COVID-19 work from home environment that we are all forced into. This allows us to be a great deal more dynamic and engage with you than our competitors at the big brokerage firms. So my mission was clear. It was time to move towards wealth management and join a registered investment advisor. I moved my family away from the hustle and bustle of New York City to Saratoga Springs up here in upstate New York, where I'm originally from. In today's day and age of digital communication, I don't have to be in the New York City metro area. And with COVID-19, that timeline of the inevitable move towards digital interaction and commerce was just drastically shortened. So for all those reasons, the RIA business model is in a bull market, and here we are. So I joined Ascent Wealth Partners here in Saratoga Springs, which is an RIA powerhouse. We have 11 people on the team, almost 800 million in assets as I record this, and 3 partners with a wealth of experience steering our ship. So I feel I know the stock market pretty well, but I can tell you I'm learning a lot about financial planning and tax strategy from the team here. I'm also working towards my CFP or Certified Financial Planner designation, very big task. So I ask you, who's running your financial future, right? Do they have the same experience and passion for the markets as we do? Are you in contact with your advisor as regularly as I'm in contact with my clients? So if we can help, click the link below and we should be able to set up a virtual assessment of your financial situation. We can set up a interactive Zoom call and I can take you through our process and you can share with me what you're currently doing. We'll see if a relationship works. As you can tell, we're very versed in the technology in this new COVID day and age, so we feel confident that we can give you a very, very nice experience, almost as if you're in person. And then when things open up, I got 2 chairs here coming up to Saratoga Springs, and I look forward to meeting you. So thanks very much, and look forward to speaking with you.